In this Procreate Dreams tutorial, we are going to learn step by step how to make this cute animation. And before we start, we need to make sure to set the duration of the animation. By tapping here, we can adjust the duration. Tap on Properties. In the duration field, we will set the time for 2 seconds. To be able to draw on a new layer, tap on plus icon. New track. And I have got a new layer here for drawing my frame by frame animation. Now, we are ready to start. Make sure the cursor is at the starting point. There is a gray bar in the middle here. If you grab it slightly upwards or downwards, it is going to open up the flipbook. And of course, you can zoom in, zoom out. So we are going to turn on the onion skin. And it is a semi-transparent preview of the frames that came before, so that you can tell where to draw the next bit. Tap on the first frame and let's start. Tap here to draw the next frame. The bubble appearing in purple is the one we drew in the previous frame. We'll repeat the process and draw 16 bubbles, each in a separate frame, with each bubble slightly larger than the one in the previous frame. And this will be the last bubble we draw. Now, it's time to animate the bubble explosion. These are all the frames we drew. I'd like to have several bubbles, so in order to do that, I do not have to redraw this. We will merge all frames into one group to duplicate the bubble easily. So I am going to the timeline edit and select all these frames. I am going to tap and hold here, and I am going to choose group. Now I am going to duplicate this group. Tap and hold. The duplicated group will appear on the side. So I am going to move these group over here. And reposition it on stage. Now that we have two bubbles side by side, we will merge the two groups into one, to have one group containing both bubbles. Duplicate the group. Move it over here. Reposition and rotate it on stage. Feel free to arrange them as you like. We will repeat the process to get more bubbles. tap with 4 fingers to display the animation in full screen mode. We now have a cute animation. I hope you enjoyed it. We will have many more cute and simple tutorials. Hit subscribe for more.